Hello and welcome to a new video from series with DDT4ALL for the Renault Dacia cars. In this video I will show you how to activate the radar and display on the instrument panel for a Renault Megane 4 car. For example, we will have a case when you want to upgrade your bumper with uh, a bumper that contains a badge with the radar inside. But for this you have to proper connect the radar connector to the connector from the harness, and that connector goes to your ECU. So we suppose your connection are already done by a shop or a colleague or a friend that knows how these are connected in your car, and now you have to activate this radar to be fully functional for you. First of all, I am in a demo mode to make this demonstration. So first of all we will select our car, the Megane 4. The first step is to locate the cluster TDB, and under the cluster 5040 3.20, double click here to open the other tab. Go to the ecrans configuration, conf prestations VAH, and now this is our radar DW_CF. So you have to activate the Einstein phase and change here from absent, because the radar is absent with DW present with radar. After that you have to simply press the DW to write the new values to the ECU. You can restart after this operation, but we still have to activate two more tabs, so we don't use this button for the moment, the software reset. Only this DW for the moment. After that, the second step is to go to audio and rad nav, depends on your configuration, could be 2.x or 3.x. Double click again here, go to the configuration menu, and open the ECU configuration part 2, and after that open the ADAS presence tab, this one, and look for the distance warning, and here you have the DW by radar, and press after that right ADAS. Activate the Einstein phase and write the new values to the ECU. Now at this moment you can perform a key on key off reset, but we still have one more step. The third step is to go to the FCAM. The FCAM so under the FCAM menu front camera, the diagnostic tab, we have camera configuration, and here is the DW function. Activate the Einstein phase and change the DW present and the pedestrian detection present, and after that press the right configuration for DW. And now go to ECU reset and press the button software reset to reset your software. Now you can close the DDT4ALL and also disconnect the OBD2 interface and lock and unlock your car for a few minutes, and after that you can check if your function works on the digital display of your car. I hope this video was useful, and we will meet in the other videos. Bye bye.